Hello, welcome to another Facts and Dimensions Spotlight Dataset. This is Health Survey for England data. I'll just show you one of there's several files. Here's one of them. So you can see the sort of data we have to import. It's not too bad, but if you notice, the headings are in bold and the subheadings are not in bold. So we've had to use one of the special features in our system that we've developed to be able to distinguish between subheadings and sub-subheadings by taking account of these formats. So this data is all in the database. There's 36 tables, 41,500 rows, data going back to 1993. Let's have a look what we have. Loads of stuff. Overweight, obesity, adults, self-reporting long illness by BMI and sex. Look at that. So you can see there, different categories, measures, BMI statuses and numbers. Let's pick another one. Overweight, obesity, adults, BMI status by region and sex. So you've got like different parts of the country. And like I said, there's 36 tables. So if you follow the link in the description, you can have a play with that data and you get free access for 30 days. Thanks.